What's up, you guys? Dude, got the Notorious out here. Bro, I found this new spot. It's very close to my house, man. Very cool out here. So I just figured I'd stop by, try it out. Had the Notorious. Figured I'd give this thing a rip. Had the ramp, so let's see what she's got. Notorious, guys. This thing is ready to rip. My goodness. Is that steering on good or what? There we go, man. There we go. Wow. Come on. Hasn't been that long. Yeah. I know it's been a while, man, since I bashed, but dude. Sorry about the wind. It is a little windy out here. Wow. Wow. That is a good hit on the back right there. Everything good? Good hit on the back. What the heck? Come on, this spot might not be good. This spot might not be good. This road, you can't really see it, but it's all wavy and bumpy and uneven, you know, so when I'm coming at it right there, I might need to move this back that way. There we go. Yeah. So the Notorious, guys, out kicking it, man. This thing is always fun. You know, the Outcast, y'all know it. Come on. Oh, no good. That's a horrible landing there. Love this thing. The little mini one should be fun, man. You know. Let's send this thing, boys. Let's see if we can get it lined up good and just send the daylight out of it. Nice. Oh, my ramps. Good grief. Ramps. You gotta slow down, man. Let me get the ramp fixed. Yeah, bro. It is super windy out here. Man, it's almost blowing the car just off track there in the air. Now, it's only a matter of time for something lets go on this thing, but you know what? Let's freaking hit it, guys. Oh my gosh. No, that is unbelievable. No, let's send it. Let's send it here again, boys. Oh, yeah, the wind is strong. Strong right there. Yeah, I'm surprised the servo hasn't let go yet, which I think that's probably going to be, the next thing to go. That rod ends, you know how that goes. Unplugged. Unplugged, guys. Unplugged or not. I still got this stupid thing. I gotta do that. I gotta do that. And these XC90s coming unplugged on them, man. Not good. Not good. This tower's bent up to hell. But that frickin' brace. Look how tight that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look, I done lost this. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna stop there. Gotta get that body mount there fixed up. And that's it. This thing took a nice beating there. And yeah, we'll get her all fixed up and ready to go for the next rip. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you on the next video. Alright, peace.